Parang doon na lang ako sa likod, boy.
Wala, dito na lang.
Meron ako, pero malamig.
It's okay. Can I have some?
Andun sa harapan.
Thank you. I'm so thirsty.
Kasi yung card niya. Ay,
Is this yours? Thank you po for the heart. Tell me what I love. Katawan ikaw lang siyaw.
Ang dami na ako.
ulit tayo.
Wait lang. Sige. Ano ba At ilan na ba to? 224 viewers.
Magsaka mo dito. Dapat nakasita talaga. Basta mo ate?
Hindi, ako pa pinag... Ay, pwede na talaga. Yan, kasi din nakita yung sarili natin. 1, 2, happy anniversary. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy anniversary! Dahil dyan, wala lang.
Okay, yun lang. Baba. Joke.
Thank you guys for watching. See you
Bye-bye.
Bye! So,
So meron akong tanong.
oh.
Shall we start na? Shall we start?
Sige, sige.
Mag-greet muna tayo. We are... Sino ba tayo?
Secret, okay. ML48. Magandang hapon po! Okay.
So, kamusta naman kayo guys?
Ayun.
How are you? How are you? Yes!
Okay lang.
Yes! Yes!
Yes.
Wait, magbasa tayo ng comments. Happy Annie pa, shoutout. Wait, ang dami. Mirai is so cute. Magandang
Yay!
hapon sa inyong lahat.
Magandang hapon.
Happy Annie mga madam. Catchphrase ngapi. Okay, catchphrase. 10 roses. Woo!
Ay lang?
Wait lang,
Ay.
100.
Ay, wala. Sige.
Sige.
800 kasi 8 years na tayo. Ah! 8 years! 8 years na, Jo!
Hello?
Ay! Hi. Hi from Indonesia. Hello.
Pa-shout.
Ano? Wait, ang balis, ang bilis.
Pa-shout.
OMG late. Sorry. 6 January. Happy 8th anniversary. May, wait, ang bilis. Hello, Mama.
Dahan-dahan na.
Mama. Hello. Hello. Wait, ilang rows na? 25, 35. So yeah, guys. So nag-live kami today to celebrate our 8th anniversary. Yon, 8 years of MNO48. Okay naman.
Ito, I have a question. What is your favorite MNL48 song?
Isa. Mirai!
Igay ni Mango.
Why?
Why? Igaini Mango, Igaini Mango.
Why is it?
Because
Mirai loves mango.
Igay ni... Yeah. Also, I think Igay ni Mango suits MNL48 so much.
Oh.
Like the vibe. Summer vibe.
What about you, ano, Red?
My favorite MNL48 song is Rain Flash.
Oh.
Naramdaman ko na iwan mo na sa tabi. Kahit na
Yung multo sa likod ko. Ikaw, Ate Andy.
Ano?
favorite MNL song?
Song ng joke. Hindi, yan. Actually, Gingham Check. I like it.
Wow!
Tumatagal yung araw.
Ikaw, Coley.
Sa akin, First Rabbit.
Aww.
Kahit na
Masaktan, di ka tatakutan. Kahit ang kadiliman.
di uulungan.
Okay, Renee. Ano, recitation?
PKM.
Iba yan.
Ayun,
Ay,
like you.
Ikaw, Max.
First Rabbit din.
Aww. Karina.
Same First Rabbit. Kasi parang siyang intro ng anime.
Oh.
Yun din yung sinasabi ng MN Loves. Para silang tatakbo daw. Parang
May hawak na sword.
Yeah.
Sa akin yung message kasi maganda.
Oh. Same. First Rabbit. Ganda ng First Rabbit. Saka ikaw ang melody.
Naaalala mo pa rin, naalala mo rin ba tayong dalawa?
Wait, ilang roses na? Sige, mag-catchphrase na tayo, guys.
Oh my God.
Sino magsisimula sa pinakabata?
Ay,
Ako na nga!
Ano?
Ay, thank you po. Ano yan?
Sino
For the club. Ako! De, sa mga batang 5th gen. I mean, sa 5th gen.
Ikaw.
Kita ko yun eh. Binulong ate nung
Ako ang baby ngayon.
nagsimula.
Oh, game.
Ay. Hello everyone, I'm MNO48 Max and I'm here to max out your hearts.
Hey!
Sino next?
Hindi.
Ay, ako. Oo.
Ikaw.
Catch ikaw. Japanese diva. Ah.
Yan na.
Ayun na. Gusto ko hit action. Paano ba yun? Half kawaii. Alright. Yo, what's up? Konnichiwa. I'm MNO48 Serena, your half kawaii, half siga, Japanese diva!
Parang hindi ko na yung sa Dream Beyond.
Mas
Parang mas
mataas.
mata. Okay, next.
Oh, isa me. Ano nga ba? Penguin! Hello everyone! I'm MNO48 Renee, your cute penguin idol! Woo! Ano kayo mga
Ay, di mo ba? Ay!
Red. Yun na yun.
Parang nabawasan tayo. Ay,
Sorry. Hello everyone, I'm your red lover idol made for the stage. I'm MNL48 Red.
Mirai Chang.
Hello MNO Your future starts with me, right? Yay!
Yes!
MNO48 Mirai!
Cole. Ay, ako pala muna sa'yo. Hello? Pinag-usapan lang ganito ka. Jamie. Kasi, Jamie Yam Yam. Hi, I'm in love. Ano ba kasi?
Uy, wala
Napapatawa ko.
May action.
Paano? Walang action.
Ay, wala ba? Ano ba ganun yun?
Nagpapatawa po siya. 1, 2, 3, go. Jamie Yam Yam. I'm the captain of Emerald 48. I'm Jamie. Okay, Cole. Ikaw dapat mataas na boss mo din
Ano ba?
Baby Tower
Mabuhay! Mabuhay!
Wala.
Mabuhay! I'm your baby tower, but you can call me...
Ay, Kobo! Ay, last.
Ang dami kasing ano version sa
Kaya
natin,
nga
bro.
Same.
Sige,
Yung
ito
sige tayo.
Latest, okay. Nag-reach ako. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, go. Game over because I got your heart. Hello everyone, I'm the gamer and the sharp ear of ML48. I'm Armin!
I'm GR.
MNL48!
Okay, yun lang, guys.
Thank you guys for watching.
Ano ba to? May left ba dito?
Uy, nagka-plum. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So, gusto nyo mag-games tayo?
Sige, mag-games
Mga who's most likely to.
Ay.
Tapos
Pwede
nakapikit.
background.
Ikaw magbigay ng question sa amin. Para di namin alam.
Okay.
Doon
First.
nga ako sa likod. Ay, first.
First talaga.
First talaga.
Ano?
First sabi.
Who's most likely to...
Who's most less?
Who's most likely
Who's most less?
to
Ay, pikit ba?
forget...
May pikit ba?
Go. Sige, pikit na lang.
Pikit,
Paano ba
pikit.
yun sa tuturo?
Ayun na.
Uy, ba't wala ka dito?
Who's most
Pikit
likely
ko.
to forget the choreo?
1, 2, 3, go.
Chloe.
Bakit ako?
The black na.
Ano ba?
Huwag na ba kumikit? Kasi di ko memorize kung saan
Kaya nga eh.
Sige, wag na lang magpikit.
Sige, ako
Paano pumikit? Saan tuturo?
Parang may sabi.
Sige, pumikit ka. Paano daw pumikit?
Forget the pikit.
Ano pa? Sa baba.
Wait, so sino yung sagot?
Isa pa.
Isa pa.
Iba.
Who's most likely to
Napapabawag din tuloy ako.
forget the choreo? 3, 2, 1, go! Bakit si
Ikaw?
Si Sarina? Hindi kaya. Parang wala pa akong nakikita ng forget.
Parang wala ka.
Yay!
Ay!
Talaga ba? Kung sino mo siya, di niya na-forget. Hindi ko kakalimutan to.
Next.
Next na.
Next.
Gusto mo magana? Sila naman mag-ask.
Ayun.
Sila.
Oo nga, sige.
Kayo guys.
Kuha tayo sa chat.
Ano gusto niyong question guys? Most likely to? Most likely. Hindi ko gagalawin ulo ko.
Hindi ko kagalaw ulo ko.
Si Lord ata. Ha? Si Lord? Sino nagsabi? Hindi ko alam. Happy 8th anniversary. Thank
Okay.
you po. 7.
6, 7,
Sige.
Uy, sobrang ganda doon naka-black
Grabe.
Second one.
Go.
Ready? Who's
Yeah.
most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
3,
2, 1, go!
Si Sandy.
Yeah.
Bakit si Sandy?
Wala lang, random. Parang kunyari, pinapagalitan na kami, tapos siya nakagano lang.
Di ba ako sila? Mga November yata.
Same. I remember. Anyway. Next. Thank you. It's so nice to see you.
I will insert myself at times.
Who is most likely to cry on stage?
Hello?
3, 2, 1, go!
All. All. Ay, hindi pala ako. Depende lang.
Si Red nag-cry sa roller coaster.
Namatay sa roller coaster.
Sabi ng chat si Cole.
Oo nga.
Sentimental value.
Sino ba yun?
Value kasi.
7 po na.
Penguin. Penguin ang penguin. It's me.
Okay, next.
Oy.
Who is most likely to give the best advice? 3, 2, 1, go!
Si Kausten.
Sige na, sige na.
Saka yung isang first gen. Working siya, working.
Working. Multitaskering.
Okay, next. Who is most likely to carry a game? 3, 2, 1, go! Again.
Ay, biglang dito na siya, guys.
Kahit ulit pa ako nung wala.
Kahit anong game. Oo, kaya niya.
Kung ano yung din.
Follow ba?
Hey, hey, hey. What?
Masira,
Lagot
masira.
tayo kaya dito. Pero spring bed to, ako malapit.
Last na last.
Last, okay.
Last na agad.
Hindi, sige pa.
Sa pa ba? Wala
Sabi
pa?
mo more, sabihin ko.
Ano ba sa mga?
Who is the mood maker of the group?
Mood maker.
Hindi rin ako yun.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ano naman?
Hindi, depende.
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 Bakit si Cole?
Uy, nung...
At bakit si Jane?
Hindi.
Ako?
Quick. Ano, mga jokes.
Hindi, parang, hindi din. Parang feeling ko, part yun ng pagiging captain na... Hindi, feeling ko kailangan, kunyari, lugmok na yung group. Kailangan ko silang, imbis na ilugmok lalo, kailangan ko silang i-uplift more.
Paano yung ulit?
You raise me up!
Sorry po. Sorry.
Public server. With love.
Okay, next.
Pwede ba ito? Ayaw ko tanggal.
Who is most likely to start a trend?
Trend. Si Sarina daw.
Oo,
Sarina.
Sarina.
Mario, ano yung...
Sige, sample, sample.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Anong trend kayo?
Ano bang trend na ginawa mo?
Yung ano, yung tang.
Kabisado ko dati yun eh. Para sa sarili.
Game, guys.
Ito na siya. Minute bite yun eh.
Okay, next.
Galing.
Uy, si Red din. Yung mga cosplay. Yung mga...
Ayan, tagad. Sama nyo yung advice. Advice.
Gawin mo yung ano, yung umiiyak na Mikasa.
Ayoko. Sample.
Acting.
Okay, acting. Ano gusto mo? Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Ikaw yung nag-shoplift. Charot lang. Ayoko na! Ayoko!
You were the one caught stealing on
CCTV.
On the TV.
Okay, next. Who is most likely to be late?
Hi.
Siyempre!
3,
Matik!
2, 1, oh! Dapat sabihin niyo yan, kilala ko
Yung
kung
mga
sino.
matanda.
Sino ba?
Ako, minsan
Wait, di
super
ako.
late, minsan super early.
Sino ba yun?
No,
Wala,
in between.
walang ganun dito.
Wala. Si Ethan. Joke lang. Joke lang. Ay,
Okay, nag-reply ako na siya.
Sabi.
Okay, next. Next is Scarlett. Charis. Next is, who is most likely to spoil the fans? Like yung mga teasers.
Oopsies. Sino ba yun?
may kilala ako.
Ay, kilala rin ako.
Sino ba?
Andito siya. Joke lang.
Sino niya?
Huwag
Sige na, 3, 2,
Yakap.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hindi ko alam.
Keep din daw.
Yung mga Jess.
Talaga?
Oo.
Eh, wala.
Yung PF.
Wala dito.
Wala ba?
Wala dito.
May wala.
Ay!
Okay, next.
Ingitan ako bigla. Agad eh.
Who is most likely to get distracted midstream?
Distracted.
Midstream?
Ah.
Midstream.
3, 2, 1, go!
Si Red.
Oh, serious.
Bigla. Minsan, papasok ako sa live stream niya, tapos may topic siyang isa, di ba seryoso?
Ay,
Tapos
happy cool.
ay talaga, ay, iba yun.
Nalimutan niya siya kasi hindi niya naalala.
Iba na yung kanyang sinasabi. Yes.
Wala lang, ano niya, attention span.
Oh,
Siya lahat naman yata tayo. Umi coffee maker.
Okay, last na.
Kamuhi ko ba?
Yes.
Kasama.
Next is...
Wow!
Eh, sino nagbigay?
Mama dito sa
Nakita. Isa pa.
Mama dito sa.
Thank you, sino yun?
Thank you. Hindi ko po nakita.
Anong color, guys?
Color?
Parisen.
Pa-mention ko kung sino mo.
Hindi ko rin kita eh.
Pa-replay nga, guys.
Isa pa. Nakalimutan ko anong kulay eh.
Karot lang ah.
Teka daw. Init eh.
Dali.
Okay, last na.
Thank you po yung Martin.
Martin?
Hindi ko rin nakita. Tama kayo. Send daw ulit.
Diba?
Yes.
Uy, pag ikaw talaga nahulog dyan tayo.
Hulog ako sa'yo.
Kasi si
Okay, last na.
Marlon daw po.
Ay, bakit ito Marlon?
Sorry, ang
happy birthday.
Sorry po.
Marlon. Sabi daw po ni Max Martin daw yung pangalan. Thank you po, Tito Marlon.
Sorry po.
Last na. Okay. Who is most likely to check up on others? On everyone.
Jimmy.
Ate J.
Siyempre si Topless.
Jimmy.
Ate J.
Pero talaga yung...
Taga-react lang ako.
Taga-react.
Ako din. Ako taga-sin ako or naka-iulan sa inbox.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ano ba to? Uy, Ramilindo.
Ano yun doon?
Okay, next.
Okay. Ano ba ba? Ano bang game pa di gawin?
Sige ba? Sige ba?
Laro natin yung imposter game.
Aray.
Yung may word, tapos... Yung muna! May word, tapos ano? May word.
Pwede.
May word.
Bubunot-bunot ate.
Paano po?
Ay, Mr. White. Ay, impostor.
Oo, yung parang kunyari, let's say...
Mr. White.
Let's say... Yung word is chocolate, tapos sabihin ko, matamis. Sabihin ko,
May upload eh.
sabihin ko,
Oh.
ano, maasim. Ganun. So, ako yung imposter.
Meron akong game na sa phone ko. Ang kanina phone. Mr. White.
Nakakahilo.
Oh, yes. Paano nila
May
malalaman
up yun
yung word natin?
Ako makita.
Ako rin
Si Coach.
Nihila na rin. Hindi, may ano siya, game siya.
Impulse lagi. Hindi.
O, sige, kanta muna kayo guys. 6, 7.
Sigaw.
Hello guys. Kamusta kayo?
Mirai-chan!
Ano ba?
Guys, do you have some MNL48 song request for us to sing to you guys?
Sige, wag na.
Wag na daw.
Or would you rather? Would you rather?
Yeah, habang ano, like commercial lang, commercial.
Sino daw madalas antukin?
Ay,
Kakanta daw.
Ay.
ikaw ang
Okay, go guys.
Anong filter
Ikaw ang melody.
Yeah. Ikaw ang melody. Si 7. Guys, tap the screen. Sana maka-reach tayo ng 1 million taps for today. 65,000 pa lang. 6, 7.
O nga, tap ka hearts.
6, 5.
Tap hearts guys.
Thank you, natin.
Share nyo guys, share the live.
Share the love.
Share the live.
panahon nagbago, sikat ng araw. Maliwanag paligid at ay nasila. Sabay sa ihip ng hangin ko na mabalaya. Ako'y biglang napapaawit na. Nakatago sa isip mga lumang alaala. Nakalimutan na pati ang ating favorite song. Pero bakit itong kanta'y bumalilaan sa isipan? Ang pag-ibig ay di tumitigil sa isipan. Pinaghahandaan parang bumalik kahapon sa lenyo na sinanapuno ang ingay na. Ang naririnig, ikaw ang melody, melody. Di malimut ang harmony, harmony. Damdamin di ko nasabi, nagsisising lubos. Ang aking dinitip, ang aking melody, melody. Kantang hindi ko malilimutan, magkasama sa kituwa. Araw ng tulong ng saya, bumalik sa isip ko.
Yay! Okay, next song request. Unlock at 200k likes.
Wow.
Oy, yes. Guys, 200,000 likes. Next song tayo, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nakikinig na masaya, sabay kumakanta.
Gina to 1 million.
Oy, kaya yan. Kaya niyan, guys. Sa 400 na nanonood, kaya yan.
Wow, ang dami na
Thank you. Okay.
Boy.
Alright.
Hi, Kuya Bobby.
Hey, boy.
Hi, Masterpiece.
Good ka na.
Next game.
Sige.
Ha?
Next game na.
Gusto
Next
i-adjust
game.
natin yung camera. Like, pag ganito, parang paslan. Parang mas malaki yung silhouette. Tabigyan lang natin yung mga gamit.
Skirts ah.
Skirt. Ay, di ba ate meron ka sa?
Ay, ganito.
Coach, may stretch.
Hindi, ganun lang.
Ay, maliit lang.
Ano lang?
Parang lalo tatakpan kayo ate, wait lang.
Sabi lang, kayo tayo. Pagkasalan tayo.
Guys, oh!
Charot lang.
Joke lang. Pag-ibig. Hi, Ate Red. Uy, hi, Ate Red daw.
Hi, Ate Red. Wala naman siya sa
Who
screen.
is that? Ay, hello po.
Sino yun kaya?
Ah. Ay, ganyan lang. Kala ko naman.
Wala, ganito nga lang. Wala ko yun.
Mainit.
Ayan na rin na.
Oh, yes. Alam niyo yung ano, yung bagong laro sa pag gumagawa kayo ng character. Hello!
Gusto niyo guys, panoorin natin yung bagong vlog ng MHill for you.
Ay, actually,
Tapos dito natin isa.
live reaction.
May vlog?
Oh, di ba? Surprise! Dito sa TV ko.
Assume mo na hindi ko.
Yung may room tour na. Dito na lang.
Ay, doon yung
Oh my
camera.
gosh.
Ano yung camera? Ay, nahirapan siya.
Akalan namin kita, saan man tayo mapunta, yung tipong
Kasi pakailangan. Pero yung mga script nyo ah. Ito.
Kita ka dyan. Meron akong stand ako na nga. Akin na nga
Stand
yung
up.
stand.
Where's my bag?
We'll come back
Where's my bag? Where's my bag?
Only I do not know.
Red Marie, pwede pa ba itong remote?
Red, is this yours? Kay Ate Red, kasi Red? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
You know me,
Smart
boy.
TV
ba ito?
Ayun lang.
Sandali, walang dito. Hindi ko sila kilala. Ano ba kailangan nyo sa amin?
Wala yata.
Ewan mo.
Hindi yata sa Switch.
Meron akong tablet.
Ayun!
Asan iPad kid? It's not it, okay? Excuse me. There you go.
Masyado bang mataas kung nasa shelf?
Nasya!
Ayun, that's pa. CCTV. You were the one caught stealing on CCTV. Anya. Bebe, ilike, paharap yung sandal niya.
Oo nga, sumulong.
Tapos read the comments. Iba ka muna yung iPhone. Hindi, paharap yung sandal niya.
Paharap na.
Isandal mo dun sa diba yan? Nakaganyan. Ganyan mo yung phone. Kita ba?
Ayan, tingnan mo nga. Check mo sa screen.
Check na. Wait lang guys ha.
Hindi ko na makukuha.
Kasya kayo dyan?
Yes, po.
Sabay pa. Ayan, okay naman. Ito kasi tabi ko.
Install na ako ng
Ayun, sa tabi.
Tabi mo, bebe.
Thank you,
kami.
What's the question? Can you hear us? Are we audible?
Hello, mic check.
Ay, wala tayo HDMI.
HDMI.
iPad.
HDMI.
Tapos low bat, no?
Kasi busy ka ba?
Wala.
May laptop. Or may work ka?
May HDMI ba dito?
Wala.
Kailangan HDMI.
Ito.
Ayan. I just need to pass something. Pwede naman to.
Okay.
Si Jamie at Cole na lang ba first gen? Hindi po kami first gen. Ako po
Grabe
second.
ba?
Siya po.
I'm 1.5th generation at the Andy's first generation.
Grabe po. Hindi, dapat.
Hey, BJ!
Okay lang.
Hi, intro. Hi, Eunice.
Bilis.
Okay lang.
Game.
Bilis ng Marias.
Tap din ako ng cakes. Thank you po
Wow,
sa cakes,
thanks.
guys. Nakakita ko rin na video.
Yeah. Okay,
Kaya panalo natin yung bagong vlog. Ay, wala pa pala sila dito. Itong mga pictures. Bawal ba yun?
Sorry.
Eh? Eh?
Tinali ko lang yung ano.
Hindi ko ginanong tinali ko lang. Hindi siya. Hindi ko siya.
Sorry, ano ko ba yung study.
Ano yung keyboard? Ito nga. Anyway, hi Anna Loves. Wow, thank you for 144k likes. Flex your outfit. Ay, nakaigo na.
Ayaw gumana, babe.
Ay, ayaw.
Same thoughts.
May ginagawa kasi ate sa sa laptop. Okay, mamaya na lang tayo manood ng ano.
Hindi ba signal dito?
Mahina speaker na itong laptop.
Mahina yung speaker na laptop.
At hindi pa ka.
Ay, napanood nyo na ba guys?
Kasi connect kayo sa ano?
Saan?
Sa hotspot.
This show, I'm gonna.
Nyoni
So guys, chat, meron ba kayong questions na gusto nyo sagutin namin? Yes! Kasi minsan lang tayong mabuo, like makapag-interact all together. So, yeah. Feel free to, I'm trying to read everything kahit ang bilis ng chat. Keep safe, yeah, keep safe. Guys. Ayun na! Wait, panoorin natin yung bagong vlog. Kita niyo ba? Yeah.
Ay! Mag-loading.
Hello everyone, I'm the magical princess of ML48. I am Rachel!
Ayan yung ano!
Guys, sa Laguna!
Yun, lag.
Ang mahay.
Okay, bird? Mamaya na lang kaya, baka di kayo ng interview. Okay, in the meantime guys, mag-send mo na kayo ng greetings and questions na sa chat. Diba sabihin na kalbo? may old members pa ba dyan?
Ouch.
Grabe naman sa pasoon.
Ayan kaya babalik ang black and highlighter.
Sabi mag-off.
Okay lang, huwag na nating ipilit. Hindi talaga kaya. Hindi tayo pwede. Pinagtagpo, pero di tinadhana.
Ako lang signal.
Lapang 10 p.m. Check ko yung vlog after nung live. Okay, kung nga sa TikTok talaga yun. Yes. Favorite, nasagot na namin. Ano ba guys? Sige, favorite ML48 memory na lang. Like just one. Aww. Oh, sige, sa 5th gen mo. Favorite ML48 memory.
Memory.
Memory. Wow! Jay, thank you po sa Galaxy!
Yung
Galaxy! Yung performance po ng...
Thank you, Jay! Thank you. Mag-date mo tayo kay Jay.
Thank you, Jay! Thank you po! Sa akin po yung yung pinerform natin yung Manila 48 ng Bimbo. Kasi parang yun yung first ever performance.
Nagwala na. Oo, tama.
Okay, mo ka. Nagulat ako.
Kasi,
Na kompleto po yung mula first gen.
Oh.
That's why it will live in my heart forever.
Next.
Best memory.
Yeah.
For me, yung mga trainings with senpais. Tapos,
Yes.
yung pag nasa training and then celebrate yung birthday ng members. Kasi may free food.
Yeah!
Hindi, tapos parang dun din mas na-strengthen yung namin, yung connection, yung connection! Ayun, parang yun yung pinaka-best memory for me. Yung training. Thank you.
Welcome.
Recipe. What about you, Mirai?
Best memory for me is Tribune concert.
Aww.
I still remember the function of high tension. Like,
Aww.
and I was function or like so energetic, and I was so I was so happy being there at this time. So yeah, and also that was first time to perform as a
Mamaya ka sa akin.
Love you. That's why. So
Iwan kita sa kalsada. Yay! Thank you, Mirai! Nag-iwan kasi ako dito. Screenshot ka pa. Screenshot. Sige, papakita ko yung picture mo na natulog na iPad na Along ka din ko yun. Okay, next.
Ikaw.
Next muna. Nag-isip pa ako.
Mama mo, Blue? Sabi niya.
Si Mirai.
Mirai is done.
Si Mama mo.
Mama mo, Blue!
Yes!
Ikaw, Red.
Ako po.
Thank you. Good night, guys.
Actually, yun din yung favorite ko talaga na, yung Dream Beyond. Kasi parang, dun yung parang talagang, na-feel ko talaga na, ito na. Yung magiging part na ako ng 48 for real. So parang, yun yung parang,
Ay, hindi ikaw, Red. Si Adani ko. Okay, you, Red. Ako rin, yun din. Ano ba yan?
Dream Beyond.
What she said.
Dream Beyond. Kasi,
What she said.
wala lang. Sobrang nakaka-inspire makita lahat tayo nandun sa stage. And sobrang, alam niyo yung ramdam ko yung girl power natin. Tapos, ayun, everybody was there for the love of the group. So, ayun, super saya niya na experience. So, kung may babalikan man ako in any point in time, yun.
Aww.
Happy po.
Hello. Sino yun? Hello?
Mga sino ba yun?
With 5th gen, ano ba? PFC.
In general,
In general, ang dami. Tagal
Tagal
ko
mo
na
na dito,
dito, guys. Tagal ko na dito. Siguro, yeah, in general, it's the trainings. From the start yung trainings talaga kasi that's where you'll learn about yourself more, learn about your members more, how you guys are as a group together, ganyan. And that's how you get your togetherness. Togetherness! Tapos may nag-sponsor.
Uy, sino ba yun? Isa yun yung...
Kasi togetherness, doon tayo nagbabond kasi doon natin nakikilala yung isa't isa. So if it weren't for the trainings, we wouldn't be closer. Yes. Jamie?
Ako, siguro River MV shoot. Kasi, pandemic nun, tas sobrang tinatawid lang namin lahat. Tas sobrang hirap makuha ng permit, tapos sobrang hirap kasi may swab test, ganyan, quarantine. Yeah, tapos nung River MV shoot na yun, kasama ko yun sila Ate Sheki, sila Gab, si Ate Sela, ganun. Tas sila Ate Abby. Tas masaya kasi parang binasa kami ng fire truck. Para kunyari
Binasa
ulan.
mo?
Oo, totoo! Tas core memory siya for me kasi parang
Akala ko nantay yung ulan.
hindi, fake lang yung ulan doon. Core memory siya for me kasi parang nakabanding ko yung sina ate. Parang wala pang third June na ba? Parang wala pa yata sa June. So parang for me, it was just nice having that experience, like working with the senpais na tinitingalan ng marami din. Yeah, that's for me. Parang madami pa, pero yun yung unang pumasok sa isip ko. How about you?
Me, ang sa akin, yung WhatsApp na winter.
Work.
Work, Jamie kasi! Hindi ko ma-pinpoint exactly.
Ayun mga massage.
Siguro, imagine this. Siguro yung yung nami-miss ko yung... Kasi lagi magkasama sa mansion. So, parang together lang kami ni Chloe lagi. Sasama ko siya mag-aral.
Wow!
Girl! Tapos wala lang, nag-food trip lang kami.
Yeah.
Wala kami ng movie. Tapos yung mga time na nagtatako kasi sa akin. Pag, Ate Alip, kami ka sa akin. Kasi mag-iba kami ng floor noon. Sa second floor siya ako sa ground floor yung room ko. Tapos wala lang, naalala ko lang yung parang sobrang chill. Parang
Masaya lang.
masaya lang. Hindi ka parang stress. Parang you're living
The journey.
The dream! Ay, gusto ko rin, Coley, nung nag-shoot tayo ng Hash Love sa Tagaytay.
Oo.
Tagaytay yun, sa Tagaytay. Madaming
core memories. Super fun.
Dami.
Tapos yung PFC din, that was an experience. Diba guys?
Alin doon?
PFC.
Yes, yung Enchanted tsaka yung
Oo.
Enchanted
Tsaka yung yung
Yeah.
redacted.
Bawal ba si Jay?
Ano naman ang nila eh.
Alam niyo na po yun. So yun po, yung shoot po ng PFC was fun. Kasi yun nga, first shoot ng 5th Gen and then parang na-feel namin na member na kami, more like gano'n. Member na pala kami.
Tapos nakasave ko pa tayo.
Yeah, ganda na save ko natin na yellow. Yellow?
Maganda rin yung mga Satan sign natin dati.
Satan sign.
Ay,
And yung mga
theater!
concerts.
Yan yung mga minimize ko nga abutan yung
Oo, lalo yung
Kasi,
theater.
Kahit, even though I will speak in English, so...
Ay, oo nga, sorry, Sorry,
sorry. So, I was saying that I hope that
English.
Wow! That you can experience the theater
The nose.
and the Satan side.
Yeah.
Because we have the freedom to choose whatever we want to perform every
Satan side. Yeah.
And during the theater days or month, I think. Months.
Every weekend.
Yeah, every weekend there will be shows, per team,
Yeah.
or random things.
Generation.
Like concerts, Valentine concerts.
Parang
Even though
Christmas.
many types of
Halloween,
concerts.
everything.
And
And we had like photo cards.
Yeah.
at activities with fans.
Like, ano
Ayun, sa
Even though it's very tiring, like,
Oo,
yeah,
parang
some
dinner,
you
dinner.
played
Dinner
some
with
dinner
fans.
before.
so fun. Tapos may hot sauce ako. Ikaw yung Emma.
Before, it was very tiring. Like, we have a,
Hectic schedule.
Yeah,
very
like,
hectic schedule, but it was so fun.
Yeah, so fun.
Very fulfilling.
You wouldn't
Sana
feel,
Oh, I hope you guys experience.
parang you wouldn't feel na you're tired because it's so
Yeah.
fulfilling.
And it's, their passion.
Yeah. So
Aww.
fun before. Vale, maybe this time.
Maybe. Okay, ano pa guys?
Maybe now.
Siguro moment na, kunyari, let's say, wait lang, English pala to. What is a moment in your MNL48 career na you felt really down? Like, if it's sensitive, it's okay not to share, but parang a time na you were challenged and then how you recovered from it. Wow.
I believe.
Sige, I'll start.
Sige, you start.
I feel like it was during my early days in MNL48 when I was the only second gen in the Senbatsu. So it was really difficult for me because I felt like a sore thumb and parang there was so much prejudice against the second generation at that time. So it was really hard kasi of course I'm performing alongside very seasoned performers, you know, Ate Sheki, Ate Sela. And parang it was really hard for me kasi a lot of people like doubted not only me but the second gen as a whole. Sorry. Boy, paiyak na kami.
Okay.
Doon na nailuwa ko. Ay, sorry. My tears is here.
Is here?
Yeah, is there. Anyway, back to the topic. So, ayun, parang, I really doubted myself na, can I do this? Like, can I, parang prove, how can I prove to the MN Loves na parang the second generation also, you know, can parang show everyone na we deserve our spots in MNL48. But yeah, thankfully, how I overcame that was just really not only trusting myself but also trusted in the words of my senpais and the coaches and just really have a strong mind and heart going into MNL48 because it's really not a joke. Being in MNL48 for like 7 years for me. So really, hindi siya talaga joke talaga guys. Parang sobrang nabago yung buhay ko in so many ways. Yeah, so but I don't regret any single bit of that journey. Okay, go ikaw naman.
For me, I think it was when I was in Thailand.
Oh yeah.
Alone. If for those who don't know, I lived in Thailand for 2 years because of our subunit called Quadlips. So we lived there. Each member had like a solo room, and then that's it. We weren't with any of our loved ones there. At the time, siguro yun din, self-doubt, kasi I don't know if I deserved my spot either. It was just, everything was so sudden. Sabi lang sa akin, okay, pack your things, next week you're going to Thailand already, then you're gonna start training, blah, 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 and yun, everything was sudden. Like, my parents were shocked too na, ala, mapunta ka ng
Paano siya?
Thailand. Woo! Thailand, ganyan. Sure ka na ba? Yun yung laging tanong sa akin, sure ka na ba? Kasi, syempre, at home, may pagkain na lahat. I don't have to worry about anything. They already provide for me everything that I needed. And then in Thailand, I was alone. Wala akong family, walang friends, everything was new. I couldn't understand the language, couldn't read, wala talaga. Kasi mag-isa lang ako.
Hindi ka pa mahilig sa Thai food.
Hindi pa ako, hindi ako adventurous sa pagkain. So, parang, it became, it's a dip for me.
A dip?
Like,
Tsaka like
emotionally.
being away from home. Kasi you as a person, you're very family oriented. You're very close with your siblings, with your
With
parents.
friends as well.
Yeah, so I couldn't imagine how hard that
And then
was.
we were coming from like months of a lot of schedules as well. So in Thailand, parang oh no, sure na ba ako, ganyan, am I okay? And truly I wasn't, but luckily I was with Fenny Sang, I was with Fame, I was with Hinano at the time. And they became my family. We were there for each other all the time. We ranted, we cried together, we went through everything. So being surrounded with the right people is really
Yeah.
important in your journey in life. Okay. That's all. Thank you.
Correct. Okay. What about you girls? Do you have any input?
I want to hear from Renee.
Yung ate.
Ate.
No, wag na.
Ate.
No. Anyways. Anyways. Challenge.
Ano nga ba? Siguro, there was a bit of an adjustment period. Personally for me, there was an adjustment period from coming from an indie local idol scene to the mainstream P-pop scene. So it was a bit of a huge, not a bit, it was a huge adjustment because I started from maybe 7 girls and then naging duo ako, and then being thrust into a whole larger group.
Yeah.
So it was a bit different, it was hard. There were also moments of self-doubt na inisip ko kung do I truly deserve to be here out of all the girls that were picked, nandito ako. Pero naiisip mo minsan na parang tama ba na ako yung pinili or is this may lang ganun. Pero at the end of the day, ayun nga, like what Nicole said, na it really matters who you are with. Kasi lahat ng paghihirap, lahat ng challenge na ma-encounter mo, you'll get through it with the right people.
Yeah.
As long as they steer you in the right direction and you steer them in the right direction as well. So, yun.
So, ano din, malaking tulong din yung girls sa ML48 kasi tayo-tayo lang nakakagets.
Oo naman.
They also understand.
Tayo-tayo lang
Tayo-tayo lang
Oo
magkakampi
naman.
dito. Diba?
Diba? Diba?
We're teammates.
We're teammates.
So.
Hi.
Ay, lalagyan.
Students.
Hontoni.
Hontoni.
Desyo.
Oo.
Diba?
Diba sabi niya?
Diba?
Anyways, sabi, ang lakas daw ng tunog ng aircon. Hindi daw masyado marinig yung nagsasalita.
Yung hangin ng aircon?
Ay, yung yung ganun.
May mic po.
Oo, pero type C to.
Meron types.
Ayun. Wait, magmamic kami guys. Wow. Sabi nila,
Let me pause the live. Hindi, wag na. Sige, dyan lang kayo.
oo nga rinig na.
Wait lang guys.
Tignan mo malaikat na.
Sana may charge siya.
Gano'ng katagal na tayo?
Mas fresh na pa.
49 minutes.
49 minutes pa lang. Hi guys.
Sana may...
Wait lang guys, ate ko nag-ayos.
Wait lang. Isa pa lang yata. Hello.
Saan yung... From there.
Ulitin mo, ipakita mo yung ginawa mo.
Rinig?
Hindi. Sa mic na nga.
Okay. Balik natin.
Sa mic na po ba? Hello guys. Happy 8th anniversary Evan Loves. Oo na, sige na. Kalbo na. Hello.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Uy, hala, may multo.
My gosh.
Ayan, may mic na kami.
What is this filter?
Rinig pati heartbeat.
Ay, ang galing.
Listen to my heart to beat.
Ganun yun, ate. Yung may nag-set ng heart, lahat. Ay,
Ano yung face ko?
Yes. So, may kapag yung face ko.
Kapag tumibok ang puso.
Mukha ko.
yan kanina pa.
Puso. What? What's at the back? Kumuna. Humina daw yung audio para matulog.
Hello.
Lakas kaya. Ang lakas nga.
Okay na sa mic. Ano daw? Okay na sa mic but need to volume up your mic.
Volume up your mic.
Malakas kayo man eh.
Hello?
Malakas ka. Huwag patalo.
Hello?
Malakas ka. Patalo. Patalo yung boy. Patalo boy.
Ayan na. Dinig naman ate ah.
I think rinig.
Hello?
Dapat daw ilapit yung mic sa bibig.
Hello?
Subo mo na.
Ano so? Habang ang gabi about the
Okay,
love.
so Emin loves.
Lakas sa boses ko. Wala akong mic nun ah.
Rinig na daw, okay na daw.
Rinig.
Dinig?
All goods na daw.
Okay.
Hawak mo ang heat.
Wala gumaganda.
Okay na. Oo nga, tumitibok. Okay, ano gagawin natin? Happy anniversary, guys! Yay!
Guess the choreo.
Ay,
Guess the choreo.
Guess the choreo.
Sige!
Sige.
Sige!
Ikaw muna.
Ako mag-guess, ako gagawa.
Ikaw gagawa.
Sige.
Sige.
Ilang choreo kailangan? Like, gano'ng ka-onte? Para mahirap.
Parang ano lang.
Ihirapan ko.
8.
Oh, walang theater songs para fair, para fair.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Ang
8.
haba naman nung 8
Edi 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sige. Uy! Hindi ba yun? Sabi ni Red, Natakot ako! Sabi niya, gumagawa. Ayoko na.
Ako na ate, ready na ako maglaro eh.
paano ate, paano?
Pakita mo sa kanila yung nakita ko. Talikod ka muna.
Ano yun?
Yeah.
Talikod ka muna sa amin. Tapos tingin ka sa akin. Hindi, parang mas mabagal yung kanila. Mas mabagal. Sabi niya,
Ganyan siya ng
nakagalan.
Ayun!
Guess the member na lang. Guess the member. Oh, we're gonna play Guess the member.
Hello.
Guess the member. Oh, number 1.
Sila mag-guess.
Red.
Sige. Yung Emin Love na lang. Emin Love.
Sinong gagawa?
Ay, dito sa chat. Okay, next.
Sinong gagawa?
Guess. Oh, you guess a member. Ay, you copy a member.
Dare.
Dali.
Wait.
Oh, na-pressure.
Wait. I need, for example.
Example.
Who is that, you?
Ayun no. That's red.
That's right.
Ay, ito.
Ah.
Ito. Guess. Ay, yung envelopes pala. Guess the member. At lahat tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. Si Angel. Tama. Okay. Sino pa ba? Sa beauty, sa ilalim yata. Oh, sino pa? Wala pa ako natatawan. Ang lapit. Uy, nakatingin na naman sa akin si Red! Sabi niya,
I am... Paano ate?
Nagabang.
I am from Indonesia. Hi! Hello.
hi from Indonesia.
Ano?
Si ano. Sino pa ba?
Ang tagal naman.
Ay, natatawa kasi ako.
yung tao.
Ganito. Tapos dear yung mukha. Hindi, walang filter. Hindi, si ano, sa third gen tayo bumunot. Bumuna tayo sa third gen.
Ako.
Oh, sige.
Ay, ate! Ay, ate, I'm so sorry. I didn't Ate, kasi ano eh, I'm sorry.
English. Tapos ganda siya. Ah? Ay, next blocking na po ba? Nasaan na yung blocking mo? Oh, sorry, coach. Ayun, tama.
Ay, hindi ata nila alam.
Magkaiba ba tayo?
Pares. Oo.
Oo, di ba? Hindi, mali yung iba. Si?
Clarel.
Hindi.
Ayun,
Hindi
tama
Rihanna,
si,
hindi
tama
si
si
Rihanna.
Pero
Carl.
pwede rin kasi si Rihanna. Sino ba ba? Third gen.
Third.
Tatawa ka si Ate J.
Sino ba third
Hindi. Ito na lang. Tara na girls, sakay na kayo sa akin. Ako na magdadrive. We miss you, Ate Dana. Ate Dana.
Ano ba?
Ay, ba't namin yung sagot?
Ay,
May gusto namin sa inyo manggaling kasi kayo yung mga
Oo
picture.
nga.
So kayo yung
Sige.
observer.
pa?
Ano?
Ay,
Ay, galing naman.
Okay. Sino daw po?
wala na. Dali na. Lahat tayo nag-earn na.
Nahawa na po kami kay Ate
Jamo. Sino
Jade.
si Jamo? Sino po yun? Sino po si Jamo? O, ikaw naman, Max.
Ano may isip eh, sino?
Sige, subukan niyo talaga. Ayusin niyo
Nili, tayo lang naman dito eh.
talaga.
Ako tatanong.
Dali, wala naman sila dito.
Sino?
Nagawa na yun.
Nagawa na si Ate Red eh. Gaganon lang niya.
Sabi na naman niya,
I'm thinking eh.
Mama mo blue.
sino nagturo kay Miray ng mama mo, Blue?
Ate Red.
Who told you mama mo, Blue?
Mama mo blue.
I think Renee or I forgot.
Ay, hindi. Hindi.
Ano?
Ano?
Sino to? Ano? Ha? Ate, hindi mo kilala.
Sino yan?
Hindi mo kilala? Magtatampo ako.
Nagtatampo.
Visit ka ako na! Away!
Cute nga eh! Kawaii! Alam nila. Cute diba guys? Cute.
Ay, really daw.
Ah, pareho sila?
Paano ba si Riri? Parang si Riri. Gumaganyan sa TikTok.
Hindi, serious.
Ganon! Galing! Oh, next. Anong next? Anong gagawin? Okay.
Ayan na. Babawi si Ate.
Saving for...
Hindi ako yan.
Okay. It's easy. Yung easy one.
Ngayon ko lang nag-get. Sorry, lag.
It's easy one. Okay.
Hindi, si Sarina pag nag-live. Tapos may mic ganito. Tapos may monkey dito. Tapos ano? Galing.
Parang tayo nang umuna, ate.
Oo nga, parang tayo na lang yung naglaro.
Vlogging?
Saving for... Hi, what's up? Konnichiwa.
Thanks, sweet.
Si Red naman, si Red.
Ikaw naman.
Oh, dali. Red.
Sino?
Bakit kami tinatanong mo?
Nabanggit ng mga ano. Wait
Si
lang.
Miyak. Ay, pinsan.
Hello! Pass the mic. Ano pass the mic? Di ko alam pa eh.
Sige na, mag-isip ka lang, mag-isip ka lang.
Wait lang.
Miss ko na tuloy si Rihanna.
Miss ka ba?
Aray ko.
Hello!
Ako lang yan eh.
Hindi ako maisip.
Sino ba ba yung nagbibigay? Si Sandy.
tayo.
Si Ate Ann.
Ba tayo?
Para naman doon.
Hindi, okay na.
Si Ate Cole.
Naka-nurse uniform.
Si Ate Andy.
Oo pala, sige gawin mo.
Ganun.
Si Cole.
Si Ate Andy.
Uy, ganun na
You beat this one.
Kala ko kayo nagsusukat.
Gets na gets.
Paano ulit hindi namin nakita?
Ay, ate.
Diyan tayo sa
Tayo ka! Tayo ka! Ano ba yun? Oo, go. Go, go. Ano yan? Basta gumagano siya sa video, tapos iba-iba yung location.
Yeah.
Wait lang. Naalala ko.
I was doing that on different locations on a certain
Aray ko!
She said I was
Yeah, I was doing it. Oh, yes.
Ano pa? Support dyan, support dyan. Si Chelsea, si
Think
Chelsea.
twice if you need help.
Si Chelsea, si Chelsea. Gano'n na matahimik.
Hindi si Ate.
Oti!
Sa live stream.
Nakaiga. Nakaiga.
Okay po sabi.
Ate ko ba yun? Hindi ko.
Ba't ang lang na ate mo?
Sana yun. Matanda na kasi kayo.
Si Ira. Si Ira.
Okay.
Sorry ka, Tukon. Uy! Uy! Uy!
Sayang.
Si Yana daw, si Yana.
Ano kasi girls, we need kasi to, ganun siya magsalita, very kalma, very HR.
Theater song na kinanta niya.
Hindi ko alam.
Theater.
Ha?
Wala.
Very fun.
Ano pa? O kayo guys, I am in loves. May gusto ba kayong itanong? Kung wala, bakit?
Favorite quotes from the members.
Favorite ko, Erm. 2026.
Wow! Uy, thank you po for the galaxy.
Meron ulit?
Tandaan ko yan. Isang minuto.
Sino?
May 1
Savia?
minute cooldown.
Hello po.
May 1
To
minute
ate.
cooldown yan.
Thank you, Zavianix. Uy, oo nga yun lang. Banlag ako. Wow, Masabi na thank you, Zavianix.
Thank you,
Sabianik.
Ayun. Hello.
Isa pa raw po.
Favorite
Masakit po
color?
Ano daw?
Favorite color daw guys. Favorite color.
Favorite color? Wala, hindi ko na natatandaan eh. Ako pink kayo ulit.
Mama mo blue daw, sabi ni Mirai. What's your favorite color?
Orange.
Hindi blue. Not blue. Red, what's your favorite color? I'm gonna guess. Green.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Syempre, red items.
Hello?
Sky. Red item.
Red things.
Items.
Red things.
Red cheeks.
Ay, favorite memory ko rin nung nag-KTV tayo. Oh, nung Christmas.
Christmas party.
So yun.
Ang dami.
Wala ka dun?
Umiyak ka nga eh.
Ay, oh my God! Sila ni Riri. Si Riri, gano'n sa table. Tapos yung kinakanta, minumulto na. Tapos si Riri. What is your lutang moments? Ayan na po.
Nawi-witness nyo na eh.
Ano? Nawala tuloy yung comments. Makakalimutin ang mga Shonda.
Grabe.
Hello?
Who are you?
Sino Shonda?
Okay. Ano pa?
Uy, Heather, nakababasa ko lahat ang nilabas.
Nagbabasa kami ng chat nyo, guys. Kaya ano.
Thank you, Gamer Zone!
Wow! Eh. Thank you, Gamer Zone.
Galaxy.
Thank you, Gamer Zone.
Galaxy.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you for the galaxy. Thank you for the
Thank you for
galaxy.
Galaxy.
Kunomi, tulungan mo naman sila.
Tutang lagi.
Tulungan mo naman yung...
Ang cute ang tawa ni Sarina, no? Alam mo yung meme, yung wait, sinan ko yun sa'yo.
Bagong reference siya sa akin yung reference.
Oo. Ito ba?
May reference siya.
Coach! Ano yan? Ito katawa ni Sarina, tawa ni Sarina. Wait. Oh, may proof. Red, may proof na nandun ka nga nung karaoke natin.
Naalala ko na ini-imagine ko kasi Kate, yung ano talaga karaoke na. Sabi ko parang hindi ako kasama dun. Wait lang. Naalala ko na.
Fake lang ba yun, Red? Panaginip lang ba yun?
Ayusan ko na. Pero ayusan ko. Ano na natatype ko?
Hindi ka na matutulungan dyan.
Barney? The girl in the middle, she looked like an angel from...
Okay, ilang likes na tayo? Ay, sorry. 348.4.
Wow, malapit mag-500.
Gusto niyo ba kumanta? Ano masabi natin kanina 200k likes, no?
Opo, mag-350 na eh.
Favorite?
Sige, next 400k. Ay, per 100k ba na yung kakanta?
Yes.
Sige, okay. Tara, ano, may request ba kayo, MNLs? Or gusto niyo MNL 48 songs?
Yan. Kahit ano po.
O nga, wag lang golden.
Nakita ko yung talaga yung...
Isa Boku.
Uy, anong boku? Uy! Uy! Uy, ano yun?
Bingo.
Nakita ko ate.
Sino nagsabi na? Ay, game na ba?
Ay, parang kidlat biglang tinamaan. Bingo. Ikaw na nga ba ang hinahanap? Bakit ikaw ang natagpuan? Di ko maintindihan, ba't tinamaan? Nang mata'y nakatagpo, tumibok ang dibdib ko. Pati ang aking puso, sumisigaw dahil sa'yo. Bingo, bingo, pinagtagpo tayo ng tadhana. Bingo, bingo, hindi pa nararanasan ngayon pa lang. Bingo, bingo, sa'yo tibok ng puso'y nagtago. Butit hintay kung ang pagdating mo, alam kong ako'y para sa'yo lang namidula. Puno ng ligaya ang nadarama, puso'y lumulukso na sa tuwa sa Diyos. Okay na ba?
Yay! Ay, bingo natics ba? Sorry, guys.
Bakit? Bingo.
Bingo words, sabi ko, mango words.
Yung mga may di kapisad ng bingo dyan.
Hi po. Hi po. +10. +10?
So guys, ano yung mga message, special message niyo sa mga MN Loves na nanonood tonight?
Me?
Yes.
Good night. Happy 8th anniversary po, MN Loves. Thank you for always staying dyan. Dyan!
Sana lang huwag kang gagalaw. Man who can't be moved.
Ayun, thank you so much po. Kasi, syempre, of course, wala kami dito ngayon.
Hello, Max? Kasama ka ba namin?
Wait lang. So, ayun. Ayun. Hello, coach, ba't may ganyan? Huwag ako umiyak. Thank you kasi we won't be here kung wala kayo na sumusupport always sa amin. And, ayun. thank you dahil hindi kayo kasawang suportahan ng MNL for so many, 8 years na, di ba? 8 years na. And thank you dahil ako po bilang 5th gen, sobrang appreciate ko talaga yung MN Loves kasi nung pagpasok namin dito, talagang pinakita nila agad kung gaano nila kami winelcome and tinanggap dito sa MNO48 family. And ayun, message ko lang sa inyo guys is, yan, thank you and please stay with us longer. Dahil, ayan, love na love namin kayo guys so much. Moment of silence.
Ayan.
Sarina? Hello. Hello, guys. Ayan, happy 8th year anniversary sa MNL48. Of course, sa inyong MN Loves na rin. Ayan, nagpapasalamat ako kasi yun, kaming 5th gen, bago lang kami dito sa MNL48, but you still welcomed us and show us a lot of support that we really do appreciate. And yeah, like kahit anong nangyayari sa mundo ngayon, andyan pa rin kayo nagsusuporta sa amin. And sobrang thankful and grateful kami na merong MN Loves na nandito para sa amin. So, happy anniversary guys! Thank you!
Happy 8th anniversary MNL48 and MNL Loves. Thank you so much for watching. So I just want to tell you guys that yeah, I really appreciate you guys always stay with me. Like even we are not so inactive as a group right now, but you guys are still like tell us like we will always be there like that. So it's really no, it's okay. So it's really like it means a lot for me. So yeah, thank you so much everyone. Love you all. Arigatou gozaimasu. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, at Red, Ate Andy, Red. Ay, umubo. Sige.
Boyab. Oh, what's that? No, I got to see. Ano yun? Swimming siya, swimming. Thank you po. Galaxy.
Si Oo po.
Oh.
Wow! Dami! What's that? Wow! Baka lang. May dali. Oo. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Message to fans, right?
Yeah.
I think. Hello, Evan Loves. It's been like technically 9 years na since we've been together. Oh my gosh! Kasal na tayo, tara. Joke! Hindi, sa fans. Kasi 9 years. Nasa na yung sing-sing, guys. Ayun, it's been 9 years since we've been together. You all watched us grow from teenagers to adulthood. Na-witness niyo yung growth namin isa't isa. And I would like to thank everyone sa pag-support sa MNL48, sa paglaban alongside us. Kasi hindi nyo kami pinabayaan and sinuportahan nyo kami in every way ng journey namin. Hopefully, in in every step of our adventure in life, I hope you guys will support us. Kasi all of us are not getting any younger. All of us are getting older. Kaya, guys, I hope kung ano man ang papatunguhan ng buhay, I hope you guys will always be there for us. We love you so much, MN Loves.
Okay, Red. Dapat ko maisip.
Hello po. Hello, MN Loves. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga patuloy na sumusuporta po sa MNL48. Ayun, in English. Thank you so much, MN Loves, for your continuous support to MNL 48. Even though a lot of challenges, there's a lot of challenges, still you're there to support the group. And also, I am so thankful that I became a part of MNL 48 as a 5th generation member, because I got to experience your undying love and support for the group. MN Loves, like this community, the MN Loves are very supportive, especially to us, 5th gen. And just like what Sarina said, we are just like new members here. So even though bago lang kami dito, naramdaman ko yung sincereness nyo po, and as well as ayun, na feel ko yung support din. And happy anniversary to MNL 48, still here, MNL 48, 8 years already. And ayun nga guys, thank you so much po.
Wow. Anyways, ayan. Hello, MN Loves. Happy anniversary, MNL 48, and happy anniversary, MN Loves. 8 years na. Yippee! Ayun. So, my message is gonna be a bit different. It's not gonna be about myself, but it's about you. You. So, ayun. Thank you so much for 8 years of your undying, unwavering support for our senpais. And thank you so much for your, your continued support na hanggang 5th gen, sinusuportahan nyo kami. And I just want to say that, because we appreciate all of you, we want you guys to take care of yourselves. Always remember that you should come first. No matter what, put yourself first, alagaan niyo yung mga sarili ninyo, because kagaya ng sinasabi niyo sa akin, walang makakapalit sa inyo, walang makakapalit sa amin. So, let's all take care of each other. Let's all nourish ourselves. Let's all keep going on in life, and let's keep spreading love to one another, and instill hope in each other. And thank you for supporting MNL 48, and I hope that we will continue to bring smiles to your faces through our music and through whatever that we do. We love you all. Yay!
Si Mac muna. Ay, tapos ka na ba? Isa pa.
Sino ba? Ikaw muna.
Ako.
What she said. Anyways, joke. So, ayun. Happy anniversary, MNL 48 and sa MN Loves. 8 years. Wow, grabe. Parang almost isang dekada na, guys. And honestly, out of the 8 years, I've seen MNL 48 grow for like the 7 years na andito ako. And I couldn't help but say a lot of great things and how grateful I am sa MNL 48 kasi it opened so many doors for me, like not only career-wise but of course personally, sa personal like growth ko as a person. I've spent my teenage years sa MNL 48. I've joined 17 and now 18 na. Uy, seryoso kasi. Ngayon 24 na ako. So parang I could say na I've spent, my youth here in MNL 48, and I don't regret any single bit of it kasi ito yung nag-shape sa akin kung sino ako ngayon. And parang tong Jamie nakaharap nyo ngayon, hindi ako magiging ganito kung hindi dahil sa wait lang, stop the car, sa MNL 48. Pero ayun nga, wow, lilipad na kami. Pero uy, kasi Andito na yung luha ko! Anyway, but ayun nga, parang, I'm so thankful for MNL48 and if only I could, parang I would love to, become an idol until, 'di ba? Until I can. And kasi love na love ko talaga yung group kahit na madaming challenges na dumating along the way, kahit na sobrang daming like constraints, maraming restrictions along the way. Pero parang in the end, nagiging worth it pa din siya kasi nakikita ko kayo na masaya and nakikita ko yung mga members na thank you po sa gift na nagsusumikap. Ano yan? Wow. Wow, Interstellar. Huh? Grabe.
Oh, thank you.
Pero ayun nga, thank you kasi thank you din sa mga girls lalo na sa mga nandito ngayon kasi etong celebration na to sobrang important nito. Alam ko para sa inyo and para sa amin din guys. Kaya talagang gusto namin girls na mapa-feel sa inyo talaga na we still really want to celebrate this milestone with you kasi 8 years is not a joke talaga. Sobrang daming nangyari as we look back. And gaya nga ng sabi ko, sobrang natutuwa ko na nakikita ko tong mga co-highs ko na nagsisipag, like uma-attend sa training, like tinatry talaga nila yung best nila. Alam ko mahirap, pero nakikita ko na tinatry nila yung best nila and dun pa lang parang gusto kong, like, parang bilang senpai, gusto kong i-share sa kanila kung ano yung mga na-share sa akin ng mga senpai ko. So, overtime na po ba? Sa first generation. Ba yan yung from first generation. So, ayun, hindi ko na to papahabain. Next time na lang sa live ko or mamaya mag-post ako. But, in general, parang MNL48 has been such a blessing in my life. And at the same time, ito rin yung nag-push sa akin na maging stronger person and a better person. Kasi hindi talaga biro yung napagdaanan naming lahat dito in MNL48. But surely, maybe we would wish to have it like some other ways. But parang yung essence kasi is lahat kami, yung relationship namin, mas napagtibay dahil sa mga napagdaanan namin together. And I'm so happy to have these girls here with me like right now. And of course, kayo MN Loves na sobra-sobra yung support. Kagaya nga ng sinabi nila, kung wala kayo, parang wala kami dito kung saan kami right now. So, yun, what I wish for everyone here is maging happy and maging successful sa, 'di ba, sa kung ano mang desisyon nyo sa buhay, 'di ba? Like in general kasi tong mga girls dito mga nag-aaral din tong mga mga nag-aaral to. So, parang pagbutihin nyo lang guys and keep the fire burning. Sorry. Pero ayun nga. Thank you MN Loves and mahal namin kayo and maraming salamat.
Wala ikaw yung last.
Hindi, okay lang. O, ikaw natin.
Mali.
What she said.
Dapat si Jamie yung last kasi mas...
Basta si Riri na kanta sa tabi na namin.
Oh, si Riri muna pala.
Oh, man.
Ikaw muna.
Ikaw na.
Oh, sige. Hi guys! Ang tagal pala ng 8 years, no?
Pwede tayo kasal sa ganong time.
Kasal tayo?
Diba? Tayo.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Wala, sige na. Anyway. I joined MNL when I was 14.
Damn.
I basically grew up here. And so many people came, so many people went and left, so many things happened, so many trainings, late nights, so many events, so many highs, so many lows as well. And through all that, we all learned a lot. We all picked up lessons and grew from it. Not just as performers, but as a person as well.
Yeah.
My gosh. Ayun, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa inyo, sa lahat ng MN Loves first of all, because aside from wala kami, ayun, sinabi nila kanina na wala kami kung wala kayo. Kayo yung naging talagang dahilan kung ba't kami nagstay pa, kung bakit kami lumalaban at patuloy na lumaban pa. If it weren't for your strength, for your encouragements to us, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be staying here. We wouldn't, alam mo yun, di natin pagpapatuloy yung pangarap natin eh.
Kumbaga sila yung foundation.
Yeah.
Sila yung naghahatak sa atin to stay grounded.
Yeah, and bukod doon, to do better.
Oo,
diba?
yung
Sila din yung
motivation
motivation natin.
natin.
Ay, nako. Ayun. I'm happy that we got to celebrate 8 years together. And my message to everyone here is keep growing. Keep pushing through life. Stay motivated no matter what. Kasi we don't know what's gonna happen next. And I know naman, no matter what happens, MNL48 will be MNL48. Like, our bond is forever na. So, yeah, that's our it's really like that. So, I know, walang iiyak. Bawal umiyak. Ayun, the friendship we have here together is gonna stay forever. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Diba?
Thank you. Yun lang.
Kaya bago kami nag-live, kumain muna kami, guys.
Oo nga.
Kumain.
Sabi ko, kain muna tayo. Ganun. Ngayon lang ulit kami nagkita-kita. Ano pa?
Talaga, kahapon
Ay,
magkasama tayo.
Parang normal naman yun. Gusto mo magsalita?
Annyeong! Hello po, andito na po yung maingay.
Tahimik na.
Uy! Baka mareklamo tayo dito.
Ano po, tawa muna kayo lahat. Ba't parang
Basta kami tumawa!
ang heavy ng air?
Late ka kasi!
And,
Mag-message ka
ano po, ano ba sasabihin ko? Happy 8th. Wow, ang tagal na. 8th anniversary? Happy anniversary! Anyways po, hello po.
Tapos na kasi kami
Ano po, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy. I'm happy kasi I was part of ML48. Yeah. No comment.
Thank you for that wonderful speech. Sobrang na-touch kami, grabe.
Ano po, it was a wonderful journey for me.
Teka lang, nagme-message siya, guys.
Ay, meron ba yun?
It was so wonderful! Sorry guys!
Wala po siya sa
Guard, pakibaba naman yung...
It was a wonderful journey for me.
Was?
Yes.
Was?
Yes. Ay, March! It's a wonderful life. Wonderful day. Ano ba?
Mali pa rin yung lyrics mo.
Ay, mali. Hindi, pero I'm happy kasi because of MNL48, I met kind people like Ate Jamie, Ate Cole. Also, before ako naging MNL48, I was watching them na
Ako yung di ako papangit.
I was watching them na yung mga MVs nila. Technically, idol ko na sila before. Kilala ko na sila before. I became a member. So, it was an honor. And I'm grateful to be here with them right now. And, wala lang. Masaya lang siya. And happy 8th anniversary! Ayun lang, wala na akong masabi.
Thank you, Riri, for that wonderful.
Sa mga naka-earphone. At naka-speaker.
Okay, any last words? Hey, last words! Wala na. Okay, thank you so much, ML Love, sa lahat ng mga nagbigay ng gifts, especially, and sa lahat ng tumambay. Can we reach 500k likes before we end the stream? Tap hearts.
Top hearts, yung mga top gods ko dyan. Top hearts.
And also, guys, before we end, let's plug our social media.
Isa-isa ba? You can follow me at cole.mnl48 official on all social media platforms. Check out Quadlips as well, guys. Yeah. Max.mnl48 official po yan sa lahat ng social media apps. Guys, follow me. Follow me on at MNL48 Serena.mnl48.com.ph. Yeah, pero follow me on that social media account, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you.
Okay, ako naman, jamie.mnl48 official. That's Jamie, hindi Jamo, okay? So, see you guys. Streaming every night. Almost every night. Ah!
So please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Oh, is it okay to mention? Okay. Please follow me. This.
Yes,
This. Sorry. May zoomies ako, sorry. Follow me.
Paano, sample? Huwag na!
Please follow me on all social media accounts. Riri the ML48 official. Hello po. Please. Huh? Hello.
Ano ba yun?
Please follow me. Serious mode.
Serious mode. Ayaw na? Serious.
Hello, MN Loves. Please follow me on my social media platforms. Red.MNL48 official. Ayan, thank you so much. Hello everyone, Wink. Please follow me on all my social media accounts. All of them are named Rene.MNL48 official. Follow kayo kung gusto nyo makakita ng cute araw-araw. What's up, mga people? Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. What's up, mga tropa? Kamusta kayo, mga tropa? Nag-pop out lang ako everywhere. But yes, if you guys wanna follow me, search nyo lang ML48 ML48 Andy, ANDI, not Y. O kaya sa backup pages ko na Andy Garcia, kasi just in case mag-game end ang aking page, mayroon po tayong backup kasi natuto na ako sa Instagram ko before. Kaya ayun. Once again, if you wanna follow me and look for like gaming content and random stuff, I don't know, yeah, kung gusto nyo lang, hindi ko na kayo bibili. But yeah, ML48 Andy or Andy Garcia. In all platforms. Yay!
Tapos ka na, Max? Ayaw nga pala. Okay, guys. Before we end, let's sing one last.
Happy birthday
Sino may birthday?
to you.
Birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Ikaw daw, ikaw.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, 8 years old na yung baby natin. Okay, game. Ikaw mag-start.
Aww. Alala ko ba lyrics? Alam na ako nagpa-perform ng 365. Maalala ko yan.
Ay, huwag na tayo mag-mic kaya.
Tumingin sa langit ng umaga sa
Or yung isang mic dun.
Hindi ko alam.
Tangkad yan, tangkad eh.
Dito na lang kaya.
Parang
Hawakan na
ikita
natin.
Pass around.
So may game, salangay, chinangay say a row. Hong Tawagin. Eh, ngayon.
Ready na.
Umaisang. Malayligpasin. I don't wanna touch this. Baka pasira. As someone na.
Guys, ganda niyo screenshot. Pero baka
Ayan, sinagulangan pa nga.
Tumingin sa langit ng umaga sa araw kung tuwagin ay ngayon. Umaasang malalagpasan ng may ngiti, dahilig na hinihiling. Minsan pumapatak ang ulan, ngunit luha ay umapag. Kanang araw na di umayon sa ating plano, bukas pagsisipagan ko. Sana lagi na sa bangko na malaya, nagagawa lahat aking ninanais ito, ang aking hangarin. Buhay ay meron ka ng papel, dalang pangarap, ito'y lumilipad. Kasabay ng pag-ihip ng langit, patuloy sa pagsulong. Sa halip di alintan ang layo, kung saan ko naglakbay at kung saan